Hi, friends. Today we're going to learn about the letter O. The letter O makes the sound ah, ah, ah. Let's start our paper by writing our name. Make sure you're doing this work with a pencil, not a crayon. All of this letter writing should be done with this tool, a pencil. Let's go ahead and write our name on the top. Mrs. Meanshuber. That's my name. Hopefully, you're writing your name on the top, not mine. All right, friends, let's start by writing the strokes for the letter O on the top of your paper. You should be starting on the top of the letter, not on the bottom. Start on the top and practice tracing the strokes. Start on the top and trace the strokes. You're going to trace all the letter O's. Trace, 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 all the letter O's. Trace, 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 all the letter O's. This is letter O, and it makes the sound ah, ah, ah. On this line, you're going to practice using your two finger spaces, and you're also going to make a pattern. Capital O, lowercase o, capital O, lowercase o. But I really want you to pay attention to these lines. This top line I like to call the sky. This middle line, where the dotted line is, I like to call that the grass because the grass reaches up to it. And this bottom line, I'll call that the ground or the dirt. So capital O, I want you to make sure that it touches both the sky and the ground. Go down and touch both of those all the way. It should go all the way. Then you're going to use your two finger space and you're going to make a lowercase o that touches just the grass and the ground. Okay, two finger space all the way. See how big that is? We don't want to have some floating letter O's. Let me show you a bad example. See that letter O? It's floating in the sky. It's like a haunted letter O. We want to make sure that our letter O's are touching. Touch the grass, touch the ground, touch, touch, touch. Two finger space, touch, touch, touch. All right, now down here, this is where you get to take out your crayons. I'm going to take out my orange crayon today. I get to circle all the letter O's. There's a letter O, there's a letter O. If it's not letter O, you could cross it off. Now down here, I get to draw a picture of something that starts with an ah, ah, ah sound. Ah, ah, ah. What do I want to draw that starts with ah, ah, ah? I know something. I want to draw an octopus. That would be fun. That's what I want to draw. Let's see. An octopus has a head. And I know an octopus has 8 arms. So there's 1 and 2. Oh gosh, this is going to be tricky. There's 3 and 4. Oh, it's a lot of arms. 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8. Oh, I did it. I should give him like a little face. There's my octopus. Don't forget, next to your octopus, or whatever you decide to draw, you should put a label. Ah, ah, ah. Letter O. The next thing that you need to do is turn your paper and find the other side. Don't forget, when you're practicing writing your letter O's, you should start with your name. And all of this letter O practice should be done with a pencil. So here's my name, Mrs. Mean Super. I'm going to trace my letter O's. And then down here on these lines, you're going to write more letter O's just like we did on the other side. Write your capital letter O's, 2-finger space, lowercase o, 2-finger space, capital O, 2-finger space, lowercase o, 2-finger space, capital O, lowercase o, 2-finger space, capital O, 2-finger space, lowercase o, 2-finger space, capital O, 2-finger space, lowercase o, 2-finger space. Oh, I can squish one more in there. There we go. All right. Now down here on the bottom, I get to color in some pictures. What begins with letter O down here? Remember, letter O makes the sound ah, ah, ah. Letter O. Ah, ah, octopus. I get to color that one. Pie. What do you think? Pie. No, I don't get to color the pie. This girl is swinging. I don't know if I get to color her. What is she swinging on? A tire? I'm not sure. This is an otter. I can color that one. This is a ostrich. Let's color the ostrich. Yeah. Well, this is a door. No. Nope. And I don't think I'm going to color her. Nope. All right, my friends, have fun coloring.